Hello, welcome to The New Sound. Today we'll explore what the chorus is and how it relates to the music we make. In simple terms, the chorus is a part of a song that repeats both musically and lyrically. It's designed to be the catchiest, most memorable part of the song. A chorus, or sometimes called a hook, stands out due to its repetitive and catchy melody. It's often louder and more dynamic than the verses. The chorus serves as the peak of a song. It's where the energy and emotion are at their highest. Typically, the chorus or hook will follow the verse or sometimes a pre-chorus. When producing a chorus, focus on simplicity, repetition, and emotion. The melody should be strong and should resonate with the listener. Think of it as the main message of your song. So that's essentially what a chorus is, a powerful compositional tool to make your song stand out. Remember, a great chorus or hook can turn a good song into an unforgettable one. Thanks for watching. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.